So you skip today's workout. You are feeling that, hey, because I was tired, that's why I skipped workout. You might get a temporary comfort, but later you will feel not fitter. So, yes, taking a break is important, but not for a long time. Yeah, it matters because your health is not good, then it's fine. Okay, then start from a small step also. But if you are doing like this, hey, just leave it, just remove it. So you are going to a pathway to an excuse. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. If you are choosing an excuse zone, unnecessary. If you're choosing the basically temporary comfort zone and you know this is wrong, that I should not be choosing a temporary comfort zone, so it can't help it because you are going on a pathway to an excuse. Okay, that's not a good thing for you. Okay, that's not a good thing for your body. But if your health is down, that is fine. If your health is down, so okay, then it's fine. But if you are just ignoring it, that hey, I am not doing a workout today, maybe tomorrow. Again, you are delaying the things by this. You know that is gonna affect my health. That's gonna impact my health in a very bad way. So you are going to a pathway to an excuse zone. So it depends upon you. Okay, that I should not be going to an excuse zone, should not be going to a temporary comfort zone. I should be focusing on my workout, if not 30 minutes a day. 15 minutes can make your body feel fitter. Taking a small action can create a big impact. Repeating daily, doing a hard task daily would see a good improvement, would seek a small improvement, and that small improvement can create a big result. Okay, so let's understand by one more example. For example, you are not getting promoted. You might be blaming your manager. Okay, if not, I'm really sorry. But I see most of the people, if they are not getting promoted, they are blaming them on the manager. So what they should do, instead of blaming the manager, they should ask for a feedback. Asking for the feedback is very important and working on the feedback. These two things are very important. And third, most important, make sure you are performing better every day for yourself, not for others. Yes, I have done one mistake. I want to learn from that mistake and perform better. So you should be learning from your mistake. Okay. That's very important. Practice it on a daily basis. And you should be taking the responsibility of your ownership. Don't blame others. It's fine. You did it wrong. Even I do it. Okay, so take the responsibility and move ahead. Okay. What guys, when everything goes wrong, we blame others, we blame people, we blame the circumstances, is it? Okay, just comment it. We blame it, okay. But we should be taking the ownership. We should be taking an extreme ownership. Guys, own your mistakes. Whenever you want to become successful, you are gonna learn from your mistakes. Okay? Don't do the mistake that you know that's a mistake and I will be doing it again. No, that's not a thing. Own your mistake. Proudly show your mistake. I proudly show my mistake on Instagram Reels. For me, the definition of successful is that when we fall, then only we learn and we don't repeat the same mistake. Okay? No one is telling us to do, yeah, you have done this mistake, do this. No. If it's not resonating with you, if it's not telling you, God, I'm not comfortable with this thing, don't do it. If you think, yes, this is the thing, this constructive feedback is good for me, do that. Okay. So, but ऐसे नहीं like just have a fight and quarrel with it. It's gonna impact your mind in a very negative way, in a very bad way. So make sure, own up your mistake, show off your mistake because we all learn from this mistake. Okay.